Chief Justice John Roberts issued a scathing rebuke against President Trump. This is the Nicole Osei report. So earlier today, Justice Roberts issued a statement and he rejected calls by President Trump and his allies for the impeachment of federal judges who rule against the administration. This morning, Trump called for the impeachment of U.S. District Judge James Boasberg, who blocked Trump's attempts to have Venezuelan migrants deported. So I'm going to read to you a portion of Roberts' statement. He said, quote, "For more than 2 centuries, it has been established that impeachment is not an appropriate response to disagreement concerning a judicial decision. The normal appellate review process exists for that reason." And immediately after Roberts issued that statement, GOP Representative Brandon Gill of Texas announced on X that he had introduced articles of impeachment against Boasberg. So removal of federal judges is not anything new. It has happened, and it's typically for something egregious like accepting a bribe or some other type of gross misconduct. And Roberts, he has ruled against President Trump in the past, but it's important to remember that he is the author of that controversial ruling that gave Trump broad criminal immunity in regards to his actions to overturn the 2020 election. This situation between the Trump administration and federal judges has always been contentious. We saw that in the first administration, but it's only heightened the second time around. NBC issued a report that said just last week, federal judges had raised the alarm about security concerns, and they're even urging public officials to exercise caution when criticizing court rulings, because we've seen that sometimes these can lead to threats and, God forbid, something even worse. But I want to get your thoughts on this. I think this is something that everyone should be paying attention to, and I think it's only going to escalate, because if there's anything we know about Donald Trump, it's that he always doubles down. So let me know in the comments below. What are your thoughts about Roberts' recent statement, and what do you think about Trump's call to have judges impeached just because he loses a court case? And if you like this kind of content, news, politics, and current trends, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.